I'm Idril Zachary Iyokinko, nickname Zach. I'm a music business management student. I wanted to be a chef. Wala naman sa katawan ko eh. Pero I really wanted to be a chef because I thought it was easy money, ganyan. And I would cook at home. Among my siblings, ako yung pinakabata. Ako lang yung nagluluto, so I cook for them. So I thought na I could make money out of this. And then, later on, when I went into high school, gitara kasi yan, pan-chicks, gano'n. Pan-chicks ka. But, yun, I started learning guitar. And then I figured out it was more than just that. And I started falling in love with music and pursuing it. Bumagsak ako ng high school dahil sa music. So, tuloy-tuloy ko yan. Until, yan, I found it. And then, I wanted to prove those who said na wala akong mapapala sa music wrong. So that's why I went to music business management. I remember a noisy person eh. His name was J. Rod ata. Sobrang ingay niyang tao. It's parang sobrang distracting. And naisip ko, tama ba yung napili kong school gano'n? Diba? I'm kidding. Pero ayan, first few weeks, it was fun kasi I was homeschooled before, and I remembered my environment from back then. Parang I loved the environment na yung parang you can do a lot of things without yung very free. Ang dami mong pwedeng gawin na hindi siya yung sobrang kahon, sobrang traditional. It was ang ganda ng environment talaga to experiment with music, to experiment with your artistic views and everything. That's why I loved yung first few weeks ko. Pinaka-memorable actually sa akin was the concerts of Midris. Kasi I grew from those concerts. I started kasi na parang gitarista lang talaga. I didn't want to hold any other instrument. And then sa concerts na Midris, I learned to be an arranger, a sound engineer. Sobrang nahasa ako. And yung nag-push sa akin maging arranger was si Sir Dino Alvarez and si Sir Gino, sila Sir Eugene. They pushed me na, yun nga, to be an arranger, not just to yung stop myself on being a guitarist. So they forced me to be an arranger kasi to produce instrumentals. And tama naman, I grew as in per concert. I ended up the last concert nung March, ended up doing all the instrumentals, lahat ng arreglo, and very beautiful arrangements daw. Sabi nila Sir Pao, nila Sir Eugene. Actually, my favorite teacher talaga here in school, ang professor was Sir Gino. Pero yun nga, hindi na siya. He taught everything I know in arranging. Siya yung nag-inspire sa akin na mag-push through with being a media arranger. It was a big inspiration. My batchmates. Especially my batchmates. Pero most especially MBM batchmates. Not just yung career ko, pero batchmates ko sa MBM. Kasi I really found the family. I mean, it's not the type na yung pagka-graduate kalimutan na gano'n. Hindi. This is the type of thing na yung parang once every year or I don't know, 6 months, yung makikita kami, just update, yung just to have fun again, yung parang samahan, and we can also all work together kasi lahat kami, the music business scene is small, so we will all get to work together. So batchmates ko talaga.